In this video, we are going to cover how to use the technique of completing a square to solve a quadratic equation. So assume that we have this quadratic equation, okay? Then completing the square means that we are going to look at this portion here, and notice this, our procedure will work in this particular moment if the coefficient of x square is 1. So what we would do is we will look at the coefficient of x, which is 8, take half of 8, which is 4, and then go ahead and take the square of 4. So what this becomes is x square plus 8x plus 16, and this factor says x plus 4 times x plus 4, so that becomes a complete square or a square of x plus 4. Now to employ this technique for solving this equation, what we have to do is that notice this here, we have to add a 16 to complete the square. So we have to add a 16 here to balance the equation. And then if we go ahead further, simplify it, then what do we get on the left hand side? We get x plus 4 squared, and the right hand side is 49. So if we take the square root, what we have is x plus 4 equals -7, or x plus 4 equals +7, right? So these solutions will be x equals -11, and the other solution is x equals 3. All right. Now notice this would work here only if the coefficient of x square is 1, which it may not always be. For example, let's take another equation in which we have, say, 3x square plus 12x equals, say, 9. All right. So here, what a good, what a one step can be, that we can just change the coefficient of x square to 1 by dividing the equation by how much? The coefficient of x, that is 3. So if we do that, what this is going to become is, this is going to become 3 divided by 3 is 1. Here I have a 4, and then here I get a 3. All right. So then let's go further. In here, take half of 4, which is how much? 2. Then square it. What that will be? That will be a 4. So you will add a 4 here, and to balance everything, add a 4 here. And then here, this will factor as x plus 2 times x plus 2, that is x plus 2 is square. Right hand side is 7, and then x plus 2 becomes how much? Plus or minus a square root of 7, right? Okay, and now you can just go ahead the way you did here and obtain x equals -2 minus a square root of 7, okay? Or you may do this, go further, x equals -2 plus a square root of 7. So these are the two solutions here. All right.